With time, we change, often for the better. To evolve is a human thing. The new evolved MG Hector, now with an all-new look. MG Hector, it's a human thing.
We are happy to introduce the all-new MG Hector, model year 2021, with a lot more to offer.
I'm super excited to share with you the features in the all-new MG Hector 2021. But first, let me reinforce that safety is at the core of MG Hector. It comes with superior build quality, which is a result of high tensile steel, hot stamp B-pillar and thicker door panels. It also comes with features like 6 airbags, ESC or electronic stability control, 360-degree camera and many more features. With 25 plus standard safety features, in fact some of them being first in the segment, safety is the foundation of the MG Hector. The all-new MG Hector comes with 18-inch dual-tone machine alloys. These new alloys give the MG Hector an all-new stunning look, along with driving comfort. The front grille of the MG Hector now has been enhanced. In fact, it now comes with thermopressed chrome striking bold grille, which gives it the right amount of depth and halo to the stance of the MG Hector. The front look also gets enhanced with the all-new gunmetal grey skid plate for that strong stance. Stylish, stunning and bold on the outside, isn't it? But that's not all. Let's check the inside of the MG Hector 2021. There is much more to surprise all of us in there. And let me introduce to you the first in the segment, the all-new two-tone interiors. Yes, the champagne and black theme. All across on the front dashboard or also the fascia, the seats, as well as on the door panels. This entire combination enhances the premiumness of the MG Hector 2021. When we talk about MG Hector, how can we not talk about internet? After all, it's India's first internet SUV with its iSmart system. Now, over the last 18 months, we've had regular enhancements and upgrades on the iSmart through over-the-air updates, or what we call as FOTA. But now, with the MG Hector 2021, we are taking the iSmart to the next level. To begin with, the iSmart can now be connected to an external Wi-Fi source. It helps you in areas of low connectivity as well as faster downloads. Additionally, now you can also use the iWatch for controls on the MG Hector. You also have the AccuWeather now to help you to know the weather conditions of the place you are starting from as well as where you're driving to. Additionally, now the new updated iSmart has many more new features for your convenience and enhanced security. And we now have ventilated seats, a wireless charger for your mobile, and this really adds to the convenience. And not to forget, the flat floor that already exists on the rear of the MG Hector, which gives you that extra comfort and legroom. All our customers and ourselves, we've been loving talking to the MG Hector, and especially through the iSmart system. But now with the MG Hector 2021 and the new upgraded iSmart, we've got a surprise for all of you. Let me show you how we're making it more interesting. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Khulja Sim Sim. There you see. Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
FM chalao.
Tuning to FM.
There you see. Hello MG.
I'm listening.
Temperature बढ़ाओ.
Okay, temperature is raised to 19.5 degrees.
है ना मजेदार? And now, the iSmart in the new MG Hector 2021 can get English commands, a few Hindi, making it a combination of English. After all, to learn and to evolve is a human thing. The MG Hector continues to offer high performance through the options of the 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine, both in manual and automatic, in fact the DCT automatic, the 48-volt hybrid, and the 2-litre turbo diesel engine. The all-new MG Hector 2021, more style, more features, more internet, more voice, and many more. But for now, I'm going to toss it over back to Rajiv to share more news with all of you.
We have enhanced the Hector inside out to make it more advanced, stylish, convenient and comfortable. After all, it's a human thing to evolve. The Hector lineup offers a wide range of choice, a 5-seater, 6-seater Hector Plus in single and dual tones with 3 powertrain options and 4 trims to choose from. So today I'm extremely happy to announce the introduction of the third sibling in the Hector family, the Hector Plus 7-seater. The Hector Plus in 7-seat configuration has a bench middle seat and last row for children. Now enjoy your drive with the entire family or plan a weekend trip with your friends. With MG Hector, you will always have room for more. Choose from the Hector that best suits your need. We have you covered. As I said at the beginning, we don't just offer great innovative products. We also strive to deliver the best ownership experience. The new Hector lineup will continue to offer the benefits of MG Shield 555 package, that is 5 years of warranty, 5 years of roadside assistance and 5 labor-free services for complete peace of mind. This amazing new lineup of Hector will be available starting from today across all our network in the country. And this will come at great pricing as always. And for the new sibling, the MG Hector Plus 7-seater, the prices will start at 13.34 lakhs and go up to 18.32 lakhs, making it a very compelling proposition. For Hector Plus 2021 6-seater, the price will start at 15.99 lakhs and will go up to 19.12 lakhs. For New Year special price for the MG Hector 2021 5-seater with all new exterior, interior and exciting new features will start at 12.89 lakhs and will go up to 18.32 lakhs. Hector, as you know, comes in manual, hybrid and automatic DCT transmission and diesel variants. Let's have a look at the pricing summary, which is complete portfolio of Hector 2021 family. Thank you for loving the MG Hector. Thank you for joining us. Have a happy and safe 2021.